Hey everybody, Bruce here with Stock Markets with Bruce. Welcome to my channel today. We're going to talk about GameStop. Lots going on here with this company and the shares. Thank you all of you out there who are following my channel, Stock Markets with Bruce. Really appreciate you subscribing to this channel, giving my videos thumbs ups, and love getting your comments. Tell me what you think of these video updates on some of these stocks that we're following here. GameStop, the most heavily shorted stock in the markets. There are more shares shorted than there are free trading on this company. That should tell you something about what's happening with the shares. We have some momentum kicking in here. And in the last 24, 48 hours, we have got all kinds of things going on. The Sony Playstation 5. The pre-orders have been opened up for the system, and it is overpowering all retailers, including GameStop. The Sony Playstation 5 is going to retail for $499. Pre-sale status for GameStop, sold out. The shares in the last couple of months, back in July, they were down to $3.85 a share, and the reports started coming out that this could be a short squeeze play, depending on just how sales go. That began to move up in price, and you can see here that right on the right-hand side of the scale, or into that chart there, they kind of got into that 8-something range, backed off, back down to below $7 a share, and now they're taking off, approaching $9 and are going higher. Keep in mind that the Microsoft XBox is still to come. It will also be going on pre-order shortly, and demand could be very high for that. Now, GameStop, the analysts out there are starting to upgrade the company shares. Jefferies moved the shares from a hold to a buy and put a target of $10 a share. Tesla Advisory said going from perform to outperform with a target of $10. And the estimates are that the company will sell 1 million units for the fourth quarter and 3 million units for all of 2021. I think this is light. I think they're going to sell a ton more than that. The PlayStation 5 will most likely outsell PlayStation 4. When Sony released PlayStation 4, they moved 110 million units. There are rumors out there that we could be looking at 150 million units in total. How many will GameStop move? I don't know, but I do know this. Research has come out that says for every million units that GameStop sells, it'll add $20 million in EBITDA to the bottom line of GameStop. That's earnings before income taxes and depreciation. Moving 4 million units would add 80 million. Moving 10 million units would add 200 million to the bottom line of the company. Could be a major turnaround. Keep in mind that these unit estimates are not just for the PlayStation, but the PlayStation and the Xbox combined. Now, the company GameStop has made a few other moves in the last little while here that could really jam things up nicely. There's a company called QuadPay. They have teamed up with GameStop to allow GameStop customers to buy these units over 4 equal payments with no interest over a 6-week time frame. This has proved to be very popular with online sales for clothing and other items. Now QuadPay has teamed up with GameStop. It'll allow GameStop customers to not only order the unit, but also the accessories that goes with it. So if you're looking at an $800 purchase, you have to come up with $200 up front instead of $800 up front, and you've got 6 weeks to come up with the remainder. It's proving to be a very popular format. Also, GameStop has put together another program. It's basically a rent-to-own program where you can go anywhere from 30 days to 1 year to acquire the purchase. So theoretically, if you're taking the PlayStation 5 and the handheld unit and headphones and a few games, you're quickly reaching $1,000 in purchase price with tax. Take it over a 1-year deal, you're looking at payments at less than $100 a month to carry the product. And with a big chunk of North America and worldwide customers now stuck at home and either working from home and needing some distractions from life, the daily grind that we're into right now, not a bad idea to acquire a brand new gaming system with a bunch of brand new games and pay it off over a year. These are new options that have been coming the customer's way. GameStop is completely shifting from only selling on a retail basis inside their stores. They're starting to close stores, and they're ramping up their online division. In the last quarter, where they lost a whole bunch of money, there was one bright spot in the financials, and that was their online sales were up 800% from the year before. So their online side is really coming on, and the number of the stock traders have figured this out, and the shares are already moving up in price because of it. We're going to see how far it can go. But with the short squeeze already underway, as these shares are into the $9 range now, they get into this $12 to $15 neighborhood, the short squeeze could be unbearable, and that could cause a real run-up in the price of the stock. We'll follow it, see how it goes. The folks at Jefferies and Telsey know something. Same with Wedbush. They also like what they see here. Thanks for following me today on Stock Markets with Bruce. Again, please consider subscribing to this channel, giving this video thumbs ups. Let me know your comments on what you think GameStop is going to be doing here, and we'll see where it goes. Thanks again, everybody. We'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.